Introducing our lightest battery grass trimmer yet. Say hello to the 18V SimpliTrim 250. For both trimming and edging, the SimpliTrim 250 can switch seamlessly between tasks with just a click and a twist. And with no cords to worry about, you'll have complete freedom to move. Weighing in at only 2.1 kilograms, you'll be gliding around the garden with ease. So say goodbye to fatigue with a trimmer that is effortless to carry, hold and maneuver. An adjustable front handle offers the most suitable holding positions for comfortable working, whilst the inclusion of an edging wheel keeps you on point and in control by bringing added stability for neater edges. The wheel can also roll along hard edges, such as fences, decking and walls, to protect your line from breaking. Your flowers can grow in peace too, with a handy plant guard to help protect delicate foliage. The single line feed is a dream. With each trigger release, the line is automatically extended, so you can keep trimming without interruptions. As part of the Power for All Alliance, the 18V SimpliTrim 250 is compatible with the largest multi-brand battery system. Not only is the battery interchangeable with your other battery-powered Flymo products, it also works with over 100 other tools for the home and garden, which means you can maximize your battery series and expand your cordless capabilities. The 18V SimpliTrim 250 makes the finishing touches of your lawn faster and simpler than ever. Flymo.